brackets and brain. Brackets and brain. Fingers tap keys like a symphony made. Syntax sharp, watch the logic cascade. Dark mode dreams, caffeine in veins. I debug errors and code through pains. Git push life, commit to the grind. Code so clean, it's ahead of its time. From back-end bricks to front-end art. Dev life real, we build it smart. Turn brackets and brain, we don't just type. We solve big problems, bring code to life. While others sleep, we architect fame. Salute to the devs, respect the name. Stack Overflow is the late night guide, with VS Code as my partner in the ride. Logic loops, no room for slack. I write one function, then never look back. AP's talking, databases hum. That's how digital empires come. This ain't magic, it's pure design. Blood, brain, and a command line.